A mason measures the length of a plot of land and writes 7.5 meters instead of 5.7 meters. Calculate, correct to one decimal place, the percentage error. This is a multiple choice question, and so we will solve the question, and then after that we will pick the correct option. So this mason measures the length of a plot of land, and he had 5.7 meters. But when he was writing it down, instead of writing 5.7 meters, he wrote 7.5 meters. So it means that he has made an error. The question wants us to calculate the percentage error and correct our answer to one decimal place. Before we can get the percentage error, we first have to find the error. The error will be equal to 7.5 meters minus the actual measurement, which is 5.7 meters. So the error is equal to 7.5 meters minus 5.7 meters. And this will give us 1.8 meters. The percentage error is equal to the error divided by the actual value times 100. Remember, the actual measurement is 5.7 meters. So the percentage error is equal to the error, which is 1.8 meters, divided by the actual measurement, which is 5.7 meters, times 100. The question says we should correct our answer to one decimal place. So when we divide 1.8 meters by 5.7 meters and multiply the result by 100 and correct the answer to one decimal place, we will have 31.6%. So it means that the percentage error is 31.6%. When we look through the options here, the correct option is option B, 31.6%.